Okay, cleaning of bin is go.
Oh God, it smells so bad!
Coffee, milk's got to come out. Don't split it. We can keep the beers. Beers are good. Everything else, get it out.
How bad do you reckon that milk is?
Still pretty cold. We'll keep that. Milk's good.
The cheese, gone.
That's spaghetti at the top.
Yeah, that's fucking warm as fucking day.
Where's that wooden spoon go?
We're leaking!
Chuck me that wooden spoon.
Oh. Okay.
Gone. Right. Gonna be so much mail behind that fridge as well. What's that blue container at the top? What the fuck is that?
That's gotta get chucked. Drake that in the bin and
What the fuck is that? Oh. Dude, oh, fuck off. Go. Oh. Oh. Take it to the sink and just put some hot water in it.
Yeah, what kind of trout is it?
Throw the plastic out. Just leave it in the sink and turn the hot water tap on. Oh, I nearly went then. Oh, fuck. Go on, spit it fucking out. Mission accomplished.